In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online. If you've been seeing follow-up emails go out automatically to customers about unpaid invoices and you'd rather handle those reminders yourself, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch them off. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to your company. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner for the Settings menu, the one represented by the gear icon. That menu is your hub for company-level preferences. Click it to open the panel. From there, choose Account and Settings. This area controls how your books behave across sales, expenses, and more. You might need admin permissions to make changes here, so if you don't see the options we're about to use, check with your company admin. On the left side of the Account and Settings window, select the Sales tab. The Sales tab covers everything related to invoices, sales forms, and customer communication. We're going to adjust the section that governs reminders. Scroll to the Reminders area and click the small pencil icon to edit. The pencil lets you make changes to that specific block without affecting other sales settings. Once the section expands, look for the option that manages automated invoice reminders. This controls whether QuickBooks automatically emails customers when an invoice is due soon or overdue. Turn off automated invoice reminders by toggling the setting off or unchecking the box depending on how it appears in your version. When this is off, QuickBooks will stop sending those follow-up emails on your behalf. This does not delete any invoices, and it doesn't prevent you from sending reminders manually whenever you choose. It also doesn't change your recurring invoice schedules. It only affects the automated reminder emails tied to due dates. If QuickBooks prompts you to save within the section, confirm your change. In some layouts, changes apply as soon as you close the editor. In others, you'll see a Save button. Just follow what's on screen. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. After turning reminders off, consider letting your team know so everyone is aligned on who handles follow-ups. If you still want some automation, you can schedule tasks in your workflow app or set calendar reminders instead. And if you manage more than one company in QuickBooks Online, repeat these steps for each company file because settings don't carry over. That's it. You've turned off automated invoice emails in QuickBooks Online and taken back full control over when and how you communicate with customers about unpaid invoices.